Hello friends, I am Sanjay Gupta. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you how you can remove background noise while recording video through your laptop. Before starting, you can note my information. You can connect with me by following these information. So now coming on to the topic, uh, you might be facing a problem of background noise while recording videos through laptop. I also faced this problem while recording videos. Then I searched on YouTube and found a particular solution for this problem. So I want to share my knowledge with you so that you can also remove background noise while recording videos from laptop. So our laptop has microphone inbuilt. So whenever we record videos through laptop, it automatically capture surrounding noise. So we can easily remove that surrounding noise by setting a simple option. So in your taskbar, there is a speaker button available. So right click on that button and click on system sound events. So it will pop up this window. So here in this window you have to click on recording. So while clicking on recording, there is an option microphone. So you have to select this option. So as you select microphone option, the properties option will be highlighted. So you have to select this properties option. So as you select this properties option, there will be another option, labels. So there are two options, microphone and microphone boost. So this microphone option is responsible for recording our voice, and this microphone boost is responsible for recording surrounding noise. So this is our problematic area. So in a normal case, this microphone boost is set as 20.0 decibel, like this. So in my laptop also it is default set as 20.0 dB decibels. So when I learned to reduce it to zero, I found that the background noise which were available in my videos removed automatically. So it is applicable 99% on every laptop. So whenever you reduce microphone boost to zero point 0.0 decimal and then you click on OK and OK. Now after applying this setting, if you start recording your video, you will see that background noise is automatically removed 99%. So follow these general instruction in your laptop so that you can easily record your videos without having any background noise. So share this information with your friends also so that they can start recording videos without having any background noise. So if you like this video or if you gain some knowledge, please subscribe my videos. I record videos related to various programming languages. So follow my information so that you can connect with me. Thank you for watching this video.